Transform your living space without breaking the bank. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. Today, we're exploring the delightful world of DIY home decor, where budget-friendly meets personal touch. Whether it's upcycling that old furniture, creating stylish wall art, or making scented candles at home, the possibilities are endless. These projects are not only cost-effective, but also add a unique personal flair to your living space. So are you ready to dive in and discover these creative hacks? Keep watching. Our first project is all about upcycling. Give your old furniture a new life. Upcycling is a creative and eco-friendly way to refresh your space. All you need is a dash of creativity and a few basic materials. Start by choosing a piece of old furniture, maybe a worn-out chair, a faded table, or a dull bookshelf that's been gathering dust. Then, gather your materials. You'll need some sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges, a fresh coat of paint or varnish to give it a new look, and perhaps some fabric or wallpaper to add a touch of personality. The process is simple. Sand down the furniture, apply your chosen finish, and add any decorative touches. The beauty of upcycling is that there are no rules. It's all about expressing your personal style. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, upcycling is a wonderful way to save money and reduce waste. So, why throw away when you can upcycle? It's time to give your old furniture a new lease of life. Moving on to our second project, let's add some personality to your walls with stylish wall art. Imagine transforming a plain wall into a conversation piece with just a few inexpensive materials. Yes, it's possible. Let's dive into the creative process. Start by choosing a theme that resonates with your personal taste and home decor style. Whether it's a landscape, abstract shapes, or even a favorite quote, the possibilities are endless. Next, gather your materials. You might need a canvas, some paints, brushes, or even things like old magazines, buttons, or fabric scraps if you're going for a mixed media piece. Now comes the fun part, creating your masterpiece. Remember, there are no rules in art. Feel free to experiment with colors, textures, and patterns. Layer, mix, blend, stick. Let your creative juices flow. Once it's ready and dry, find the perfect spot on your wall and voila! You've just created a stylish piece of wall art. Remember, your walls are a canvas, so unleash your creativity with some stylish wall art. And last but not least, let's fill your home with warmth and a beautiful aroma with homemade candles. The process is fairly simple. You'll need some wax. Soy is a great choice, a wick, a heat source, and a container. Don't forget your favorite essential oils to add a personalized scent. Begin by melting the wax using a double boiler method. Once it's completely melted, stir in a few drops of your chosen essential oil. Next, anchor your wick in the container, pour in the melted wax, and let it cool and harden. One of the joys of homemade candles is the cost-effectiveness. Store-bought candles can be pricey, but making your own can save you a good chunk of change. Plus, you have the freedom to customize the scents, mixing and matching essential oils to create your unique aroma. So light up your living space with your very own homemade candles. And there you have it, 3 budget-friendly DIY projects to transform your living space. We've explored the magic of upcycling furniture, making a statement with stylish wall art, and setting the mood with homemade candles. Each of these projects is a fantastic opportunity to inject your own personality and style into your living space. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start. The beauty of DIY lies in the journey of creating something with your own hands, learning new skills, and finding joy in the process. It's not about perfection, but the satisfaction of making something yourself. Not only do these projects save you money, but they also offer a sense of accomplishment and pride that pre-made items just can't match. Plus, they make your home uniquely yours, a space that tells your story. Now, it's your turn to roll up your sleeves and get creative. We'd love to hear about your experiences, your triumphs, and even your DIY mishaps. Share your stories, your pictures, and your finished projects. Remember, DIY is more than just a hobby. It's a way of life. It's about embracing creativity, making the most of what you have, and creating a home that truly represents you. So what are you waiting for? Grab that paintbrush, that old piece of furniture, or that candle-making kit, and let your creativity shine. Remember, your home is a reflection of you, so get creative, have fun, and transform your living space today.